Hey guys, welcome back to another quick video. Okay, so in this video we are going to be discussing the merchant center problem, which is the misrepresentation error you get in Google Merchant Center. You can see right here we are getting the misrepresentation error. It says during the review you requested on August 21 found still to be an issue on your account. Make sure you meet the requirements, so you can request for another review on September 4, 2024. So now what changes I am going to make on my website is to solve this problem. So basically looking at my store, and I found some of the problems, like I have the product image copied from another website, which could be the reason. They are copyright images and I don't have much information about the products. They are just random descriptions and stuff like that. Another thing I noticed is that I don't have proper business hours on my website. It has the issue right here. When you look at the business operating hours, I don't have the information on these pages. I don't have some accurate information on these pages. So what I will do is I will just manually write all these pages one by one, and I will see if any of my website URL is broken at deadlinkchecker.com, so that you can see how many broken links you have on your website, so you can remove them and just apply for a quick review from Merchant Center. So currently I have 2 dead links on my website that I will remove later, and also I have integrated the live chat option. I can see that Google Merchant Center is talking about how you interact with your customers and stuff like that. So your website has a professional design. Yes, I have the professional design. It has an SSL certificate, but sometimes Google just automatically remove this error. You just don't have to change anything on your website, but in some cases it takes like 1 or 2 months to get it activated. So the changes I'm gonna be making is just delete all these dead links and then edit the content on the pages. I will make sure that there is no copy paste plagiarism and I have accurate images, unique images on my websites. I must have 3 to 4 images per product to submit to the Google Merchant Center, as Google will not consider your product unless you have 3 or 4 images, as customer will be misguided to your product. Also, you can see that I have a very few words in my description area, which I think is a big mistake, not providing the accurate and complete details about the product, which is misrepresentation. So I hope you like this video, and sub to the channel would be perfect. I will mention everything step by step once I request for the review. So take care and goodbye.